On a visit to Phoenix, Arizona in November 2017, I stopped by Cold Beer Cheeseburgers and attempted to set the time record for their undefeated 9-patty cheeseburger. They refer to their beef patties as slabs, and they weigh a half-pound each, so I was tangling with 4.5 pounds of beef, plus the cheese, the bun, and all the fixings. With no fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, it's time to eat a whole lot of meat and set a new record in Phoenix.
Yeah, well, just let me know just before you're about to pull it, so I'll be ready. But yeah, as soon as you're ready, let me know. Pull it. Time starts. All right, let's go. All right. Time is underway.
My burger did come with a side of fries, but the fries did not need to be eaten for the challenge to be considered completed. I tried to order the biggest possible burger of 14 patties, but the manager wouldn't let me since the 9 was still unbeaten. Boom goes the dynamite. A new record was set in the Valley of the Sun. Number 9, number 9, number 9. I guess I'll have to come back one day and take on the biggest burger on the menu. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time. Until we eat again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.